What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be breaking down a cinematic vlog that I made and kind of go over how you can turn your boring, normal, mundane life and film it in a way that makes it look a little more interesting and a little more cinematic. And I feel like a day in the life video is a really good exercise for filmmakers, especially YouTubers, to do, because you just try to take your boring life and make something cool with it. So I'm going to be watching this video on my phone that I just posted last week, and then I'm just going to be talking about how I got that shot and what my thought process and my ideas was behind it. This video is very like a chill video, just sitting down with you guys, hanging out and talking. It's nice just to be able to like connect with you guys every week. And if you guys have any questions about anything, just leave them in the comments or follow me on Instagram, DM me, and I'm happy to like answer any questions or help you guys out. All right, so yeah, let's just get into this video right here. All right, first off, like that intro shot of me with the light on my face waking up, it was actually shot in the afternoon. So I waited until the harsh light was coming through my window in order to film it. So at first I put kind of like a sheet over my window to give me like a really soft light, and the shot came out pretty cool. But I was like, how can I make this more interesting than just like my camera and the nice soft light on my face? And I was like, well, let's just film it. Let's backlight it and try to create like a lot of shapes and contrast in my face. And if you watch my video, How to Rewire Your Brain, I talk about how you want to create patterns in your image. So if you look at this image right here, there are a lot of patterns going on. There is dark, light, dark, light, dark, light. So that's what I like to see in an image, is just like all those like patterns of contrast. So this is actually like my favorite shot of the thing. So let's just keep going. That was just a shot of the palm trees. So I just wanted to get, that was my backyard. So I just took some shot of the palm trees there. And then I also wanted to create an interesting shot. So I did like an overhead shot of me with the harsh light on my face. And again, I just wanted to create some contrast and shadows. So one easy way to make your day in the life a little more interesting is to get an overhead shot. Overhead shots are super easy. You just need like a C-stand or like an overhead stand with a sandbag and put your camera on it, and you can get a shot like this. Like I said, I was trying to create a lot of contrast in this image, so dark, light, dark. I'll also show you what it looks like when there's a sheet over the window with that soft diffuse light, because that looks really good too, but I really wanted to go for this like harsh lighting effect, like the sun was hitting my face in the morning. All right, so for the shower shot, I actually mounted my A7S III on this Noga Cine arm, and then this Cine arm's like my favorite product right now when I'm filming, because you can mount your camera to anything and it's solid and strong as a rock. Also, the lighting in here is not the natural light from my shower. In order to get this light, I had to take my Aperture 300C and shine it like directly at the ceiling to get like a nice light coming down. All right, just some more overhead shots. You know, I was like, okay, I'm gonna make pancakes. I always make pancakes for breakfast. How can I make it look cool? I just wanted to get the egg kind of going into the pancake mix. All right, now this shot right here, this skateboarding shot right here, I got this one from Valandez, of course. I saw that on his Instagram. He basically used the same thing, the Noga Cine arm, which I use for the shower scene, and he just clamps it to his skateboard and puts a wide angle lens on there and just goes skating. And I love this shot. This shot's super cool. It's one of my favorite shots of the video because I got that backlight. Once again, I'm like getting sunset light, but I'm trying to make it look like it's morning. But anyways, so there's that shot. And that goes right into like a match cut. So my other idea was like, how can I make skateboarding to work look a little more interesting? So I use a match cut. And it's not the best executed match cut. There's definitely people that make better match cuts than I do. But that was just another idea that was floating through my head. So every time I'm doing like an activity in my life, I'm trying to think like, okay, how can I like make this a little more interesting? So I got the match cut in there of me skateboarding. Close up. Just some close-ups, you know. I wish I have a macro lens, but I just got a close-up of my glasses, close-up of me editing in DaVinci. Just me jumping in the water, nothing crazy. I wanted to get like some shots of fruit, and sometimes when it's like, when in doubt, how can I make it look interesting? Get a top-down shot. So just top-down of some fruit cutting. And I actually got like this idea from the Danny Gevirtz video when his normal life video. I love his channel, by the way. You guys should check out his channel. It's the shit. But I wanted to get like a close up of me eating fruit with like the sounds. I thought that would be kind of interesting. So I did that. Then I got my girlfriend to eat fruit. It was kind of funny. I was like, hey, can you come over here eat fruit in front of my camera? She's like, what the hell? Okay. Weird ass guy. This shot of her booty under the water. So I actually have a thing called a dick-a-pack. Yep, it's called a dick-a-pack. It's not for your dick. But basically you put your camera in it and you can like go underwater a little bit. I don't trust it for sure. It was like $150, but I brought that to the beach one day because I was like, how can I make the beach look more interesting? Like, let's get some half underwater shots. So that's that shot. Here's my girlfriend playing ukulele. And this shot, I just wanted to get like a nice beach shot of us like playing on the beach. And I think she put like a slug on my shoulder or something. So just us hanging out, playing. Not like the most cinematic shot, but you know, it tells the story. Okay.
Farm to table.
Nothing too crazy about this, just us going to the farmer's market and trying out stuff. It was really hard. I was kind of stressed out at the farmer's market because I was like, how can I make this look amazing? Like, how can I make this look beautiful? And I was like, well, you can't. I mean, I could have gotten like a bunch of different vendors and did like a match cut or something, but this is when I get lazy, right? Just us hanging out. Ice baths. We've been doing ice baths lately. Nothing too interesting here. This is just some B-roll just to show what a day's like, I guess. Some BTS. Those are just some BTS scenes of me filming this chick. It was alright. But I really like this shot of like her opening her book, 2024. Got a close up her eye. Really like this shot of her hand like in the sand with the sunset light on this. Thought that was super cool. I wanted to get like some sunset ocean in the hand shots. That was cool. Silhouette. This is one of my favorite shots of the video. I don't know. I just really love backlit dusk shots. So if you just want to hack to make like any shot cinematic, just go where there's dusk and colorful clouds and sky and just do a silhouette of somebody like smoking or whatever, any type of silhouette there. And that's like a classic good shot. I just love it. It's just appealing to me. It makes me happy. Also that shot of the moon, which was beautiful, you know, just the light, the clouds. Love that shit. Again. And then there's a shot of me in my bed, you know, trying to end the day. And actually this was shot in the morning time and I just like color graded it to make it look like it was in the evening time, which is kind of cool, something that you can do. And what I wanted to do in this video is go from like orange, sunshine, morning to like a cool evening vibe, you know, from the change from like orange to blue. But yeah, that's kind of like a quick shot breakdown of things. Also, if you made it this far in this video, like thank you so much for coming to my channel and supporting it and watching. I loved making this video. I know it didn't really do well on my channel, but I think that if you're a filmmaker, if you're a YouTuber, you just need to try a day in the life video. Because I'm going to be trying one of these probably like every 6 months or something, just to see how good I can get at making my life look cool. It's just a really good like cinematography exercise, especially like filming yourself. And so I definitely like recommend people doing this. It's super cool. My next video I feel like is going to be a banger and it is about storytelling and I'm working really hard on it right now. And so when that one drops, I really want you guys to check it out and tell me what you think. So yeah, I have to get back to editing some wedding films and working on my other video, which I'm really stoked on. So yeah, thanks for stopping by guys. I will see you next week. Until next time, peace.